Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale stock trading with eTrade detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin scaling stock trading with eTrade, first, ensure you have an active eTrade account. Log into your account using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the *Trades platform layout. Navigate to the trading dashboard. Select a stock that you are interested in trading. Conduct thorough research on the stock's performance and trends. Utilize the *Trades analytical tools to assess the stock's volatility. Set your investment goals and risk tolerance. Decide the amount of capital you want to allocate for trading. Use the limit order feature to specify the price at which you want to buy or sell the stock. Monitor the stock's price movements closely. Consider using stop-loss orders to protect your investments. As your confidence grows, gradually increase your position size. Diversify your portfolio by exploring different sectors and stocks. Utilize the *Trades educational resources for ongoing learning. Stay informed about market news and economic indicators. Regularly review your trading strategy and performance. Adjust your approach based on market conditions and your own experiences. Engage with the eTrade community for shared insights and tips. Consistently practice disciplined trading to scale effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.